In the previous video, we managed to write and run our very first application in the Go language, and we used the go run command to build and run the final executable. As it was said earlier, go run removes the executable immediately as the application finishes. This is why the Go tool presents other tools for building applications. While this topic offers you a pause in code writing, mastering the Go tool is essential as it will help you work efficiently with the source code, including ways to solve tasks such as compilation and linking, code formatting, documentation generation, and running automated test suites. To get information about the possibilities that the Go tool offers, you can type Go help in the command prompt. This will print a list of available commands. Or Go command name help to get a short documentation on a specific command, as you can see based on Go help env. So far, we're familiar with two commands provided by the Go tool, go env and go run. While goenv helps us get information about the operating system environment that is used by the tool, gorun allows us to implicitly compile the source code and run our application. So, let's continue on the building topic and start with Go build. It is the most general way to build applications and separate packages with Go. You can either provide the name of the package, in our case code.1.1, or a path to the Go source file, in our case src/code.1.1/code.1.1.go, and the Go tool is smart enough to decide what to build. The result of this step is an executable that resides in a folder from which we called the tool. But you may have possibly mentioned that your workspace also has the bin folder, which, as we said, must contain binaries. Yes, that's true. In the name of order, we can build our application to the bin folder using the -o modifier telling what the path of the final executable should be, as demonstrated on screen. You can also read about the command modifiers and their functions by typing go help build. Let's move on. While Go build is powerful enough, it's not very convenient for large projects having third-party packages as dependencies, and this is the case where Go install serves as a nice shortcut. It basically does the same functions as Go build does, but installs final executable to the bin path by default and also builds all the needed dependencies. Here you can watch the result of Go install on the screen based on our Hello World application. The build executable resides inside the bin folder of the workspace. More information on the go install command can be found by typing go help install, just as we did with other commands. Another useful thing that the Go tool can do is code formatting. Usually, code formatting is done by IDEs, but in case of Go, there is a standard and GoFMT does its job well. Let's run GoFMT on our source and see the results. While software developers can be very disciplined in source code formatting, people are likely to make mistakes, and it is worth running GoFMT on your source, especially before you commit changes to the source control system, such as SVN or Git, in order to simplify reading your changes to your teammates. And last but not the least feature of the Go tool is a test running function. Go supports automated testing out the box, and the Go tool is used to run these tests in an automated way. The Go test package name command scans your source files for those whose names include the _test suffix and looks for test cases executing them in an isolated environment. Let's try to test our application. As you can see on the screen, the tool ran successfully, though no test files were found. We will cover testing in future to show their significance in the software development process. During this task, we have covered the most significant aspects that you need to know to start developing in Go and feel convenient all over the software development process workflow. We saw how the Go tool can be efficiently used to format your source, build executables, and run automated tests for your application. Using this knowledge, we are moving forward towards writing our first useful application.